why did your Clickbank account got disabled. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's discuss various reasons behind it. So the number one reason could be that you are in a country where Clickbank is not allowed. So in that case, your account will get disabled. And the other reason could be that you have violated the terms and conditions of Clickbank. In that case also, Clickbank suspends your account. And the other reasons could be that you might be purchasing the product from the affiliate links yourself, and this is a activity which is harmful to the Clickbank's ecosystem, and this could lead to suspension of your account. And the other reason could be that it has been a long period since your Clickbank account has been inactive. So in order to avoid the inactive accounts or delete them, Clickbank simply just disable these accounts. So these are some reasons which could lead to account suspension or disablement of any account on Clickbank. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.